overload. This principle means that the body must be challenged beyond its normal level to improve. If you always do the same workout with the same intensity, your body will not get stronger. For example, lifting heavier weights, running longer distances, or increasing workout repetition applies overload. Progression. Progression refers to the gradual increase in training intensity, duration, or difficulty over time. Improvement should happen slowly to allow the body to adjust. For example, adding 5 minutes to your jogging time each week instead of increasing it all at once helps prevent injuries. Specificity. This principle states that training should match your goal. If your goal is to improve endurance, you should focus on aerobic exercises like running or cycling. If your goal is strength, weight training is more effective. In short, the body adapts specifically to the type of training performed. Reversibility. Reversibility means use it or lose it. When training stops or becomes inconsistent, the body gradually loses the fitness gains it has developed. For example, if a person stops exercising for several weeks, their strength and stamina will decrease. Individual differences. Each person's body responds differently to training because of factors like age, gender, genetics, fitness level, and health condition. A workout that works well for one person may not be suitable for another, which is why training programs should be adjusted to individual needs. Training principles consist of several important components that make a training program effective. First is exercise selection, means choosing activities that match fitness goals such as strength exercises, cardio workouts, or flexibility training. Second is intensity, refers to how hard the body is working during exercises such as speed, weight, or a resistance level. Third is frequency, means how often training is done. Fourth one is duration or time, refers to how long each training session lasts. Fifth one is rest and recovery, allowing the body time to repair and grow stronger between workouts, which helps prevent injury and fatigue. The last one is monitoring and adjustments. This means regularly checking progress and modifying the training plan to ensure continued improvement and safety.